first problem in NVP students, linear programming problem. It is in unit 4 and this is all about forming the equations. We are going to form the equations using this LLP. Before going to the problem, you need to first understand the question and we will solve the problems using steps. So here a dealer purchases number of fans and machines. Here a dealer is purchasing fans and machines where he can only invest up to 5,760 and he has a space of 20 items in his godown. So a fan cost is 360 and a machine cost is 240 where he is expecting a profit by selling a fan is 22 and machine is 80. Assume that he can sell all the items, he will invest his money in order to maximize his profits, formulate LPP. Okay, so here the solution we will start is with step 1. Step 1 is identify the decision variable. So here the decision variable given in the question is fans and machines. Okay, so first is fans and second one is machines. Step 2. Assign symbols to the decision variable. Okay, so symbol here we are assigning for fan is let X be fan and let Y be machine. Okay, this is your step 2. Now step 3, state the object function. Remember students, because it is given maximizing profits, that means it is increasing your profits. That is Z max is equal to, what is the profit we are getting? Profit on selling fans is 22. Profit on machine is 18. That is 22x plus 18y. So this is your object function. Now step 4, that is you need to state the constraints and form the equation for the constraints. So here there are two constraints, minded student. The first constraint is investment up to rupees 5,760 only. This is your first constraint. So here cost price of fan is 360 whereas machine cost is 240. So you will write it as 360x, x is a symbol for y, plus 240y should be less than or equal to 5760. Constraint is this should be either 5760 equal or it should be less than that. The second constraint here is space to store the items is up to 20. They can store up to only 20 items. Can you see here in this question, students? Here it is saying they have the space to store till 20 items. So we will write it as fan x plus y. Machine should be less than or equal to 20. That means you can store either 20 items or less than 20 items. Okay. So step 5, that is state the non-negative constraints. That is x comma y should be always greater than or equal to 0. That is, it should not be negative, it should always be positive. It should be equal to 0 or greater than 0. Step 6. State the formulation using LPP. Now how you are going to write the state the formulation using LPP here you need to write first the object function, that is maximizing the profit. Z max is equal to 22x plus 18y. Okay, and here I will write the subject to constraint, students. STC, subject to constraints. So the constraints given in these steps are 360. First one is 360x plus 240y should be less than or equal to 5760. Second constraint is x plus y should be less than or equal to 20. And the third constraint is x comma y should be greater than or equal to 0. So this is a method to solve your LPP. Thank you all, students.